best garden shed utility tool. The Garden Utility Shed tool storage is a great addition to your garden that can also be used to store tools and equipment that aren't ideal for storing indoors. However, when choosing the best utility shed, you must consider quality, durability, and pricing to determine which is best. With the all-weather Garden Utility Shed, you can safely store your belongings in style and confidence. Join us now as we present to you the top 5 garden utility sheds on the market today. At number 1 is the Keter Manor Resin Shed. This is an all-weather plastic outdoor storage. It's very attractive and has a narrow yet durable shed that neatly fits into small spaces alongside your home. You can use it for things like garden tools, lawnmowers, bike storage, patio furniture, and the like. The storage has dimensions of 75.5 inches long, 51 inches wide, and 78 inches tall. When it's assembled, it provides a generous storage capacity of 131 cubic feet. Aside from that, it's easy to assemble and doesn't look just like a common household tool. It comes in an attractive wood-like texture that'll complement any home. When it comes to durability, this storage won't peel from sun damage and won't get a dent if it's hit. You also don't need to worry about rot destroying your tools because this will keep them protected. It's a perfect way to keep your family's belongings safe and guarded out of the elements. Furthermore, this garden storage has sturdy floor panels that keep your items clean and dry. It keeps them off the ground and it's equipped with a fixed window that provides natural light while its built-in ventilation provides enough airflow. It requires zero maintenance, is easy to clean, and is fade-free, living up to the Keter promise. Interestingly, this garden shed is built with a sturdy double-wall construction that's resistant to all weather conditions. Thus, it ensures durability with its polypropylene resin plastic material and steel reinforcement, and you can count on this being tough and sturdy for years to come. At number 2 is the Rubbermaid 7x7 foot Big Max Storage Tool Shed and Sports Rack. This stylish storage shed mixes well with your outside space and is great for storing lawn mowers and other lawn and garden tools. It comes with dimensions of 100 inches long by 81 inches wide and 81 inches tall, plus it's a pretty solid structure with a steel beam and hard plastic floor that render durability and high performance to your garden shed. Furthermore, the garden shed has 332 cubic feet of capacity that can fit a riding mower and any other outdoor tools. It also includes a 34-inch tool and sports shed storage rack that helps clean up your floor space for more storage by holding up long-handled tools and sporting equipment on the back wall of your shed. The Rubbermaid outdoor storage is built to last with its carefully crafted, double-walled, UV-resistant resin design that assures durability by providing resistance to leaks, dents, and also weather. Your tools are kept safe and secure. Another interesting feature of this storage shed is its unique roof construction, which keeps rain and water out of the shed and prevents rust. The doors can also be locked for further security while storing your belongings. This garden shed also allows you to add pegboards, shelving, and other utility hooks to help you maximize your storage space and stay organized. How's that for keeping your surroundings spick and span? Is there something else you'd like to know? Well, stay tuned, we have 3 more products to go. But first, let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can receive updates when we release new videos to our channel. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Absco AB1002 Premier Metal Shed. This shed is an excellent choice for outdoor storage. The strong galvanized steel huts are ideal for storing lawn and garden tools, sporting equipment, and seasonal items. It's easy to assemble and 75% fewer screws are possible thanks to the patented snap-tight assembly technology and pre-drilled holes. It comes with a weight of approximately 258 pounds and has a length of 118 inches. The metal shed covers 564 cubic feet with a total coverage area of 100 square feet. In addition, large double-hinge doors can make your job easy by getting larger objects in and out in a breeze. Additional strength is added by the rib wall construction. The shed's 30-gauge galvanized steel also requires little maintenance and is resistant to rust, rot, and mildew. The rib wall construction provides additional strength. Finally, it's constructed of super strength high tensile steel engineered to withstand hurricane conditions when anchored to a slab. The modern color combinations complement any backyard space. For quick construction, all these elements of the garden shed are pre-cut and have pre-drilled holes. The parts are labeled for easy identification and assembly, but you can also find easy-to-follow assembly videos and installation manuals on the Absco Sheds app. A 12-year warranty is also included with this shed. The Absco's Premier Shed offers a great solution for all your outdoor storage needs. Whether it be a small or large shed, this can offer you a range of sizes and colors to fit your home. At number 4 is the Shelterit Peak Style Shed Kit. With the Peak Style Shed Kit, you can create a useful addition to your yard. It comes with 24 steel angles, 12 foundation plates, and 3 sizes of plans. Please take note that bigger sizes may require more kits. This shed framing kit makes it simple to build your shed to your specifications. It comes in a cut and material list as well as step-by-step guidelines. It also has drawing instructions that make it simple to get started and keep on track throughout the process. Another feature to look forward to with this garden shed is that it's rust-resistant galvanized steel. It's used for the angles and the base. As a result, the end product will last a long time. The shortest Peak Style shed has a length of 96 inches, a width of 84 inches, and a height of 95 inches. Along with that is a 2x4-inch wood or composite that are used to construct the 9-pound shed. You can also customize your roofing and siding to match the style of your home. The base is galvanized steel and the angle brackets won't rust or rot. Moreover, miters and complicated measurements aren't required. You can do only 90-degree straight cuts. Angle brackets made of galvanized steel generate the right angle every time. This kit does not require the use of miters or complicated measuring. It can be built very well with this kit. Well, that's the 4 top products we have so far. If you have any more in mind, let us know. And also share your thoughts in the comments box below. And don't forget to subscribe to receive daily video updates while tapping the bell icon. Finally, at number 5 is the Storage Locker 7x2-foot steel eggshell and coffee door. This tool offers its unique feature of heavy-duty steel that can last a long time. The Storage Locker measures 7 feet by 2 feet and gives enough space for your garden tools. Its doors measurements of 50 inches in width and 69 inches in height. The storage utility features an easy-to-assemble, pre-cut, pre-drilled parts with wide shelves. You can store small lawn equipment and handy tools in its non-overwhelming space. This tool also includes a hanger that forms 95 cubic feet of storage space and is high enough for easy access. The Storage Locker shed is sturdy enough to withstand windy weather conditions. It's durable with proper alignment of the holes, and the foundation is square at the base. The appealing two-tone aesthetics of the eggshell and coffee door give a complementary look to any home. This tool comes with a creamy, soft, smooth finish that blends well with the textured steel of the body. The shed offers maximum durability to keep all of your stored items like power equipment and to stay safe and dry. The storage shed requires less maintenance, so it won't add up to your expenses. The Storage Locker shed also won't take up a lot of space in your garden, but provides sufficient space for your equipment. And that concludes our review of the Garden Shed Utility Tool Storage. We hope you were able to find the one that will best suit you. Before you go, don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.